Hi guys, so today I'm going to be showing you 5 ways to make weird noises with Nerf guns, and let's begin. First, if we want to check this out, we put the Nerf guns together where the bullet shots are, and then we just press them together. Did you hear that? That was cool. Next comes the Nerf gun shot, where a Nerf gun shoots another Nerf gun, like right on the side. Oh, that was cool too. Next comes the pointer shot, where the Nerf gun, it just hits the pointer. Let's do it from farther this time. Oh, that was cool. Well, sounded like something like was pressing on metal. Number 4 is the card shot, where the Nerf gun hits the card. Let's start from further. Oh, that hurt. That kind of hurts, like, you can feel the bullet, like, sort of. And last but not least comes the own bullet shot. So with the bullet, we shoot another bullet. Okay, so here it goes. Oh, that flew right out of my hand. Alright guys, that's the end of the video. Like and subscribe. Bye for now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.